What if the biggest mistake people over 50 make about exercise is believing it has to leave them exhausted and drenched in sweat? For years, many of us were taught that if a workout doesn't make your heart race or your shirt soaked, it doesn't count. And if you really want results, you have to go to a gym, lift heavy weights, or push through intense routines. But for millions of adults over 50, that belief quietly becomes the reason they stop moving altogether. Because when exercise feels too hard, too complicated, or too intimidating, it's easy to think maybe it's just not for me anymore. The problem is that the body doesn't stop needing movement as we age. In fact, the opposite is true. After 50, we naturally begin losing muscle strength, joint mobility, and posture stability. According to research published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, simple bodyweight movements that activate multiple muscle groups can significantly improve mobility, posture, and daily functional strength in older adults. In other words, the exercises that protect your independence later in life aren't always the most intense ones. Sometimes they're the simplest. Today, we're going to explore one surprisingly powerful movement that many people overlook: the reverse tabletop. It requires no equipment, it takes only a small amount of space, and when practiced consistently, it can gently activate muscles that often become weak or inactive with age. But what happens if someone over 50 begins doing the reverse tabletop regularly? The answer may surprise you because the benefits go far beyond what most people expect from such a simple movement. Before we continue, we'd love to know a little about you. Tell us your name, your age, and where you're watching from. Are you in Florida, Texas, California, or somewhere else? Our community here is full of inspiring adults over 50, and your comment helps bring everyone together. We truly read every single one. Benefit number 1. It gently reactivates muscles that become silent. With age. One of the most overlooked changes that happens after the age of 50 isn't just muscle loss. It's something called muscle inactivity. Certain muscles gradually stop participating in everyday movement. The glutes become less active from years of sitting. The muscles between the shoulder blades weaken. The back of the body, known as the posterior chain, slowly goes quiet. When this happens, the body begins compensating. The lower back works harder than it should. The shoulders roll forward. Standing up, lifting objects, or even maintaining good posture starts to feel more difficult than it used to. This is where the reverse tabletop becomes surprisingly powerful. Unlike many exercises that isolate one muscle group, this movement gently activates several important areas at once: the glutes, shoulders, upper back, and core. These muscles work together to lift and stabilize the body, which is exactly how they function during everyday activities. Research in functional movement training for older adults shows that multi-muscle bodyweight exercises can help re-engage underused muscles and improve coordination between them. In simple terms, the body begins remembering how to move as a connected system again. And the beauty of this exercise is that it does this without impact, without equipment, and without aggressive strain. For many adults over 50, the reverse tabletop isn't just strengthening muscles, it's waking them up again. Benefit number 2, it helps restore shoulder mobility and open the chest. Another quiet change many adults notice after 50 is a gradual loss of shoulder mobility. Reaching overhead becomes a little harder. Turning the arms behind the body feels stiff. Even simple movements like putting on a jacket or reaching for something on a shelf can start to feel restricted. This stiffness doesn't happen overnight. Over time, daily habits such as sitting, driving, using computers, or looking down at phones encourage the shoulders to drift forward and the chest to tighten. The muscles in the upper back slowly weaken, while the muscles in the front of the chest become shortened. The reverse tabletop gently reverses this pattern. When you press your hands into the floor and lift your hips, the shoulders naturally move into extension, meaning the arms move slightly behind the body. This position encourages the chest to open while activating the muscles of the upper back that help stabilize the shoulder blades. According to research in shoulder biomechanics and aging, maintaining regular shoulder extension and scapular activation can support better joint mobility and reduce stiffness over time. But perhaps the most encouraging part is this. The reverse tabletop doesn't force the shoulders into extreme positions. Instead, it introduces mobility in a controlled, supported way. For many adults over 50, this simple movement becomes one of the easiest ways to reintroduce openness and freedom into the shoulders again. Benefit number 3. It helps strengthen posture and support a more upright body. Many people believe poor posture is simply a normal part of aging. But in reality, posture often changes because certain muscles become weaker while others become overworked. Over time, the head begins drifting slightly forward, the shoulders round inward. The upper back slowly curves more than it should. This pattern, sometimes called forward posture, is extremely common after years of sitting, driving, and working in front of screens. But posture is not just about appearance. It directly affects how the body moves, breathes, and balances. The reverse tabletop helps address this by strengthening the muscles that support an upright, open posture. When you lift your hips and press through your hands and feet, the muscles between the shoulder blades engage to stabilize the upper body. At the same time, the glutes and core activate to support the spine. This coordinated engagement helps counter the forward pull that daily habits can create. Studies on posture and aging have shown that strengthening the posterior muscles of the back and hips can significantly improve spinal alignment and stability in older adults. What makes this movement especially helpful is that it trains posture actively, not passively. Instead of simply reminding yourself to sit up straight, you are strengthening the very muscles that make upright posture feel natural again. Over time, this can help the body feel taller, more balanced, and more confident in everyday movement. Benefit number 4. It builds functional core strength that protects the lower back. When people hear the word core strength, they often imagine intense abdominal workouts or difficult floor exercises. But for adults over 50, the most valuable type of core strength isn't about visible abs. It's about stability. The core is a group of muscles that surround and support the spine, including the abdominals, lower back muscles, and deep stabilizing muscles around the pelvis. These muscles work together every time you stand up from a chair, reach for something, carry groceries, or maintain balance while walking. As we age, these stabilizing muscles can gradually weaken if they're not used regularly. When that happens, the lower back often ends up doing more work than it should, which can lead to discomfort or fatigue. The reverse tabletop naturally activates the core in a supportive and functional way. When you lift your hips off the floor, your body must stabilize from the shoulders through the abdomen all the way to the hips. The abdominal muscles engage to keep the spine supported, while the glutes and back muscles help maintain alignment. Research in functional fitness for older adults has shown that exercises requiring the body to stabilize itself rather than isolate a single muscle can significantly improve core strength and spinal support. Over time, this kind of training can help the body feel more stable, more balanced, and better supported during everyday activities. Benefit number 5. It helps the body relearn how to move with strength and confidence. Perhaps the most surprising benefit of the reverse tabletop is not just stronger muscles or improved mobility. It's something deeper. It helps retrain the body's movement patterns. As the years go by, many people unconsciously begin moving less efficiently. They rely more on certain joints while others become underused. The hips may stop extending fully, the shoulders may stop moving behind the body, and the spine may gradually lose its natural coordination with the rest of the body. Over time, these small changes can make everyday activities feel harder than they should, getting up from the floor, pushing yourself up from a chair, reaching behind you, or maintaining balance during movement. The reverse tabletop gently restores an important movement pattern that the body once used naturally, the coordinated extension of the hips, shoulders, and spine. When you lift your body into this position, multiple parts of the body must work together. The glutes extend the hips, the shoulders stabilize the upper body, and the core supports the spine. This coordinated action helps reconnect movement between the upper and lower body. In movement science, this is known as functional integration training, the body to move as one system instead of isolated parts. For many adults over 50, this simple exercise does something powerful. It reminds the body that it is still capable of strong, controlled, confident movement. How to perform the reverse tabletop safely and effectively. Now let's walk through how to perform the reverse tabletop in a simple and controlled way. The goal is not speed, but slow, stable movement that allows the muscles to activate properly. Start by sitting comfortably on the floor or on an exercise mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground, about hip width apart. Your feet should be positioned close enough that your fingertips can almost reach your heels. Next, place your hands on the floor slightly behind your hips. Your fingers can point toward your feet or slightly outward, depending on what feels most comfortable for your wrists and shoulders. Take a slow breath in. As you exhale, gently press your hands and feet into the floor and begin lifting your hips upward. Your goal is to raise your body until your torso forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, creating the shape of a tabletop. Keep your chest open and your shoulders stable. Try to engage your glutes and lightly tighten your abdominal muscles to support the spine. Hold this position for about 3 to 5 seconds, breathing steadily, then slowly lower your hips back down to the floor with control. For most adults over 50, starting with 6 to 8 repetitions is a good beginning. As your strength improves, you can gradually work toward 10 to 12 repetitions, always focusing on smooth and comfortable movement. Before adding any new exercise to your routine, it's important to listen to your body and move within a comfortable range. The reverse tabletop is generally considered a gentle bodyweight exercise, but individuals with recent shoulder injuries, wrist pain, severe arthritis, or recent surgeries should approach new movements with caution. If lifting the hips feels uncomfortable, you can perform a modified version by lifting only slightly or holding a lighter position. This video is intended for educational and wellness purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have existing health concerns, consider speaking with your healthcare provider before beginning a new exercise routine. Growing older does not mean becoming weaker. It simply means that the body responds best to smarter movement, consistent habits, and thoughtful choices. Many people believe that maintaining strength after 50 requires complicated workouts or exhausting routines. But in reality, the body often responds better to movements that are simple, controlled, and done regularly. Small daily actions can create powerful changes over time. Exercises like the reverse tabletop remind us of something important. The body was designed to move as a connected system. When the hips, shoulders, and core begin working together again, everyday activities start to feel easier. Standing up, reaching, carrying objects, and maintaining balance all become more natural and comfortable. This is why healthy aging is not about pushing harder. It is about moving with intention. A healthy lifestyle after 50 often comes down to 3 essential pillars. First, support your body with good daily habits. Adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular movement help the body recover and stay resilient. Second, choose movements that build functional strength. Exercises that activate multiple muscle groups, improve posture, and support joint mobility can make a meaningful difference in how the body feels each day. And third, stay consistent. The body adapts not from occasional effort, but from steady, sustainable routines practiced over time. You don't need extreme workouts to take care of your body. What matters most is choosing movements that respect your body and support its natural strength. Every day you move with intention, you are investing in something incredibly valuable: your independence, your mobility, and your quality of life in the years ahead. And sometimes, one simple movement practiced consistently can become the starting point for a stronger, more confident future. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Have you ever tried the reverse tabletop before? Or is this the first time you're learning about it? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else in this community to start moving today. We read every single comment, and we truly appreciate hearing from you.